Well, I've never had a TD5 before for long enough to need to change the oil and filter. So this is a new experience for me. Anyway, I had a glance at the filter. It's really inaccessible and really difficult to get the normal filter wrenches on. Rosie's away in her car, so I'm making myself a special tool. What I've got is a ring of 2mm steel which slips over the filter. The filter's 3 inches diameter, and those indentations, the pitch circle diameter of the indentations is 2 7/8, so they're only a 1/16 deep. So I'm going to weld the circle together, then mark it up and run some beads of weld around it. So I put one bead of weld on. I did it with the MIG, but I couldn't really see what I was doing. It ended up being huge, and so I had to file it down. But it does fit over, so I've marked it in 4 other spots with a Sharpie, and I'm going to try and put the other beads on with the arc welder. So that was all it needed. I'm just going to file off the odd little pimple. Well, I've only put 4 beads around it, and it goes on, and I don't think it will need any more. So now I'll just make sure it fits on the filter on the engine before fixing some kind of a handle to it. So I came round here to take the filter off with my new tool, and found out that it didn't even have the correct filter on, which seems to figure for the previous people who have been working on this vehicle. Anyway, I found a selection of chain wrenches and strap wrenches and oil filter removers, and was really struggling to get any of them on. And then found out it was only finger tied, so I managed to unscrew it. So I'm going to put the new filter on and then see if my new filter wrench will fit. Well, if getting the old one off was awkward, getting the new one on was even more awkward. I've got it up to touching now, so I'm going to put a Sharpie mark on there, and then I'll know when I've given it a full turn to tighten it up. So, living and learning, there wasn't room there to get my tool in as manufactured, so I had to cut it down like that. Then I welded a handle on it, and actually it's jolly successful. It's new variation. Goes on quite easily. I'm just doing the final tighten on this oil filter now, and bringing the filter round to 1 full turn. I think the manufacturers normally say a 3/4 turn, but we all over tighten them, don't we? So that's the Sharpie mark. That's the tool. That is about 3/8 of an inch. That is about 1 inch. The handle is angled slightly upwards and is about 8 inches long, and it's just about right. So I'm just going to grind a little round on that end. The hole was a feature of the scrap that I used, but it will do to hang it on the wall. I only put 4 beads on it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There could have been 12, but getting 12 in the right places would have been difficult, and this is plenty strong enough as it is.